Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Luke W coming back at you with a quick little live stream tonight. I got a lot of notes I just took. I've been watching and reading a whole lot. So I just wanted to share this kind of crazy information with you because it may be one of the biggest things happening to cryptocurrencies, in particular Bitcoin, in the year 2017. As many of you may have already heard, we have the Bitcoin futures taking action, and this is basically a whole plethora of institutionalized big hedge funds and big companies. Like we got the NASDAQ, the CME group. These people are all investing now into cryptocurrencies, and as you can see recently, we have a market cap of $586 billion, and around 30 billion is being funneled in and out of the cryptocurrency space daily. So this is pretty insane. You can see just today we had a 10.49% increase in Bitcoin. Guys, I needed to bring this information to you because there's not a better time to kind of get in right now, because before these Bitcoin future contracts start to take off, it's going to be pretty insane, because all this institutionalized money is going to make this $19,400 Bitcoin price just shoot up and more, because these companies are hedging their money on the side of Bitcoin. So basically what I want to bring to you guys real quick is some notes I took, and then I'm going to show you a little bit more about what I've been doing. But pretty much the CME group is, I checked out their pretty much an article on them. So they're going to be launching Bitcoin futures here, and the CME Group is one of the world's largest providers of derivative products. So that was announced just this year on October 31st, and on December 1st they announced they were going to be actually initializing some money for a contract into Bitcoin. So that's going to be taking place here in 2 days on December 18th, as you can see. The cool thing about the CME contracts is that they actually need to have a 5 Bitcoin minimum buy-in. And I mean, I don't even know how much they're going to be putting in, but word on the street is it's going to be even bigger than the CVOE market launch that just happened pretty recently. Within the past 2 weeks is when we pretty much saw the price of Bitcoin go from 10,000 up to like 16, 17, 18, $19,000. This CVOE market launch represented 1/7 of all of the money put into the cryptocurrency space in the past 9 years. That was just one market launch. This is Bitcoin futures. That's all over the news. This is what people are talking about. I mean, you're seeing between 25 and $50 billion moving through the crypto space per day. What brings this to my attention and kind of what I want to share with you guys is, as you know, I have been investing into the BitConnect platform. You can see I have a total investment so far of $12,250. You can see totally earned. I started this loan of $10,000 on December 2nd. You can see it's the 16th today, 14 days, 2 weeks. I'm in Mexico right now. We have made $1,757. We can go right in here, and kind of tying this back into the market launch with CME is that all of this new money coming into the crypto space is going to be great for not only Bitcoin shooting the price up like crazy, but it's also going to be awesome for BitConnect, because BitConnect trades based on volatility, and the more volatile the days that are happening, the more interest you get paid out. So you can see lately 1.46% interest, and let's go down here. We can see, let's see, interest paid out on a $200 loan, $200. I've been reinvesting like crazy, but you can see basically there have been some smaller days. Okay, so on a $10,000 loan, I got paid out 0.67% for that day, you can see. So I made $67, but since I reinvested on top of that, we're seeing growth from a $130 loan that was a one-day payout pretty much, and each day when I reinvest, I'm like a $200 reinvestment. I made 0.42% on that. And just for this day, in and of itself, this 1.46%. So what's going to happen as all these institutions are pumping money into the crypto space is that there's going to be a lot more volatility, and you're going to be able to see the loans for BitConnect. I mean, the money that you're making in BitConnect just kind of shoot up, like pretty much like crazy. So, and I mean, you guys have heard of NASDAQ, right? They're also bringing to the table some futures contracts for cryptocurrencies. So that's scheduled to happen here in the first leg of 2018. So, and I had their website pulled up here, and Bitcoin futures are here. So everyone's talking about it. You've seen it in the news. The Chicago Mercantile Exchange, the CME, is set to put trades in December 18th. So the price is $20,000 right now. I don't even know what it's going to be here pretty soon, but it's going to be nuts. So basically, I'm just freaking hyped that this is all happening. I'm just stunned at the fact that last year on December 17th, the price of Bitcoin was $789, and there's been a 2,300% 2,300% increase in the price of this Bitcoin in the past year. So you can't get returns like that anywhere in the normal stock market. You're looking at like 7% on a good year, but that's why I kind of took some initiative, and in my US dollar wallet here today, I did just deposit another $1,050 that will be transferred on the website GDAX. I'm going to transfer that into Bitcoin, where then I can bring it into the BitConnect software. And I mean, this is what it looks like. So the volatility, the more volatility you have, you see here 1.46%, 1.46, 0.97. This is daily payouts. You can't get that return anywhere. This, I mean, a 0.97% for a month is like nearly 30% on your money. So just on my initial loan, well, what I have in there right now, let's go back and calculate just how crazy this is. 12,250. So the principal, 12,250. You're going to see a little bump up here. So just in for 30 days, let's see how much we're making a month. $4,116 from this point. We're going to be making $4,000 a month anywhere in the world doing anything. So you can see with the $10,000 loans, we are getting an additional 0.25%. There's just, I don't know what to say. Like, this is insane. If it wasn't for getting started with entrepreneurship and watching like Ryan Hildreth's and Tanner J. Fox's videos, learning how to sell on Amazon, and now finding out this method of making passive income, I would still be in the dark. I'd be looking for a career right now, trying to fulfill my college degree as a broadcast journalist. So I'm trying to travel the world and just make money while I'm doing it, and it's insane. But yeah, just all the tons of volume coming through the crypto space, 29 billion per day. Imagine what's going to happen when these futures and these big institutionalized areas are putting money in here. We could see this. I mean, the market cap could be around $1 trillion pretty soon. This was not too long ago at just 200 billion. Now it's at almost 600 billion. So, and the futures markets are hedging on the price of Bitcoin. And what's funny is that BitConnect has been hedging on the price of Bitcoin for actually the past year since its inception. They're banking on the price of Bitcoin, and that's why BitConnect is so closely tied with Bitcoin. So, I mean, BitConnect, as I'm reading my notes here, is basically a decentralized exchange. So rather than the banks and exchanges like other bank exchanges and Visa and all these things getting rich, the wealth is actually spread throughout the world to anyone invested into this platform. So it's a consensus, and it's decided by the community who puts money into it. So, I mean, there's not a better thing than that, in all honesty. So, with so much, how can I not say the word volatility? Okay, coming in the next couple of weeks, I wouldn't even suggest waiting to like reinvest. I would just straight up go to Coinbase. You can sign up for a Coinbase account. I have the link to Coinbase right below, and when you put in $100, you'll immediately get $10 back. So just putting in a small amount. I mean, this right here, I just have this money sitting in Bitcoin. This was $300 not too long ago, and I actually just took out, you see, I withdrew money right to my bank account when this was up to over $700 from 300, and I just withdrew 200 to my bank account just to watch and see it work. So basically, this is insane. You can buy your Bitcoin here if you're looking to get into BitConnect or Bitcoin. Just go ahead, buy Bitcoin right on Coinbase. From there, I'd set up a BitConnect account. I also have that link right below in the description. And doing that will get you actually under my sponsor. I'll be your sponsor. So if there's any questions you ever have, reach out to me on my Facebook group, which is also linked below. We can talk about anything you need, get on messages, phone calls, anything, and I'll help you guys out. But just looking at total earned, $1,700 in this short amount of time is just unbelievable. And I just reinvested today, and we've already got $15 more that came in. So basically, I just wanted to kind of share with you guys how insane this is, and the fact that the Bitcoin futures are here. I mean, I just wanted to kind of share this with you, and hopefully you guys, you don't even need to sign up under my links. I'm just kind of trying to spread the word that this phenomenon's taking off, and anyone that's trying to get in now should, because in the future institutions are going to be pumping money in and the price is going to skyrocket. I predict $60,000 Bitcoin by the end of 2018. So we've seen 1,000% increase. We've seen a 2,000% increase in a year. I can't believe it. Like another 2,000% increase on this money, that $20,000 Bitcoin. Like I can't even imagine. So that's kind of what I wanted to bring to you guys. So if you are interested, you can go ahead and check out what we got going in the links. Hey, Navan, how much does the increases in BitConnect, or how does the increases in Bitcoin affect Bitcoin? Oh, affect BitConnect. So the increases in Bitcoin, it's basically the more Bitcoin increases, the more vitality, or like the more craziness is going on in the spectrum in the crypto space. So that's what's going to bring you to seeing days like this, 1.46%. The more craziness, the more volatility that's going on is going to produce more higher payouts for BitConnect. So institutions pumping in money is going to make more volatility, and you're going to see higher payouts. So this video was a live stream, so if you're just tuning in now, I'm going to pretty much conclude pretty soon unless you guys have any other questions. And from here on, you guys can basically rewatch the video. I basically covered how the Bitcoin futures are taking off, the CME group. I mean, just the CV, what is it? I wrote it in my notes here. Let's hide that. But the CVOE market launch represented 1/7 of all the money put into crypto in 9 years. That was just one market launch. The CME market launch is yet to come. That's happening in 2 days. The NASDAQ market launch. All of these big institutions are going to be putting money in Bitcoin is going to skyrocket. That's all I got to tell you guys. Go sign up to Coinbase, get an account for Coinbase, and put some money in. You can see December 16th. Just today I put in $1,050. So I'm going to throw that again right into BitConnect. I want to see more payouts. I'm compounding every bit of my earnings, and I want to see this at $100,000, and I think we can do that pretty soon. Actually, as a matter of fact, if we put in this, okay, so this is my $10,000 original loans was in for 120 days. So let's see how long. Actually, 10,100. This is going to be interesting. So 13,000. If we copy that, and actually I'll get my 10,000 back. So if we copy the profit with principal, we're going to put that in for another 4 months. We will see 55,000 after 8 months. Put that back in for another 4 months. We're at $130,000 in a year. How insane is that going to be to make over $100,000 in a year in BitConnect? Like, that's absolutely insane. So this is kind of what I wanted to share with you guys. If you're interested in starting, I do have the links in the video description below. So without further ado, thank you guys. I also am staying in Mexico right now, so we are out on the balcony, you know, just trying to live it up, man. So this is absolutely insanity. So thank you guys for watching, and wish this would start up. Yes. We're out on the balcony, man. Like, be living, guys. Like, traveling to Mexico, doing all these crazy things, and this is what life's about. You know, it's not all. This is what life's about, yo. So thank you guys, and we will see you soon. I think we got one more question. I think my stream is kind of sketchy up here, out here in Mexico. It's not coming through too well, but if Bitcoin plummets, would there still be an average of 1% return? Yes, you're going to still see an average of 1% a day, even when Bitcoin plummets, because that's more volatility that's happening. If Bitcoin price drops, then, see, that's why I like my money in BitConnect, because I'm not just risking it going up and down in my Bitcoin wallet right here. I'm putting it in, tucking it away, so I'm guaranteed to make money every day. Whether Bitcoin drops a lot, that means a lot of people are selling their Bitcoin, and that's how BitConnect, the trading bot, makes profits making trades. So when people buy a lot of Bitcoin, a lot of trades are happening. BitConnect makes money. When a lot of selling is going on, BitConnect is also making a lot of money because the trades are indeed happening a lot at a high rate. So that's pretty much all I have to say about that. Thank you guys for watching tonight, and we will see you guys very soon. Thanks a lot. Peace out.